Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my baby version of Orange from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eye at the top. We'll start with the curve up and back down. Then a curve underneath to close it off. Now on the bottom left, let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right. And then let's connect them at the bottom with another curve. Next, in the top section, let's draw two curves up, forming a point. And then let's color this in black. Now top over on the left side, and let's draw a curve out, back down, and in for the top of the snout. Next, on the top behind, let's draw the other eye. Let's start on the left side of the other eye, and let's draw a curve out and down. And then let's draw a curve on top. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. From the bottom of the left line, let's draw a curve in and up. And then let's curve it down and out like this. Then an angled line down at the end, and then curve it back up underneath. Next, let's hop inside and add the teeth. Let's start underneath the top, and let's draw a pointed V shape down and up. Then let's continue it all the way in, getting a little bit smaller as we go. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And that's it for the teeth. Next, let's move over and draw the neck with two curves down. Now from the bottom of the neck, let's draw a curve down and back in on both sides for the arms. And then inside, a small curve for the inside of the arm. Next, let's add the hands. We'll start by drawing a curve down and then bringing it in. And the same on the right. Now from the top, let's curve it down and in. Then let's curve it in for the first finger, and then in from the bottom as well. And then one more curved shape for the last finger in the middle. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's draw the bottle. We'll start by drawing 2 lines down for the sides of the bottle. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's erase the lines that are overlapping the fingers. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve across that's a little bit longer. And then lines up on both sides. And then connect them with another curve. Now inside from the bottom, let's draw vertical lines up. Next, let's hop up on top and let's draw a curve in on both sides, leaving a small gap in the middle. Then in that gap, let's curve it up and back down. And that's it for the bottle. Next, let's move down and finish drawing the body. From the sides, under the hands here, let's draw 2 small curves down. Then let's curve it down towards the center from both sides. And then a curve across the bottom for the bottom of the diaper. Next, let's add the legs. Let's start with curves out from the top of the diaper here. And then long lines out from the bottom. Now from the top, let's draw 3 pointed V shapes for the toes. And the same on the right. And then one more curve down to close it off. Lastly, let's add the tail on the right side. Starting from underneath the arm, let's draw a curve down to the foot. Then let's continue it up on the other side. Then let's curve it back down and in. And that's it for baby orange. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!